Hi everyone. So I'm sure you have already seen this machine when we were unboxing it and then when we were making coffee in it. It really gives you the top quality coffee. But if you want to continue enjoying that coffee, you must take care of the machine. So now it is time to descale it because it is already giving us alert. So here we have the descaling kit, which is also from Nespresso, and if you want to see the alert, I will just show it to you here. So it says descale now, which means it's time to descale it. Now, why do we descale the machine? Because when we are setting the machine in the beginning, we set the water hardness also. And this kit, this liquid, is specifically designed for Nespresso machine. So now when we are getting this descale alert, we should rotate the dial and we will select maintenance. So let's rotate it. Where is maintenance? Here is maintenance. All right. So this usually takes around 15 minutes. We'll select it. So we have selected the maintenance, and now what we have to do is select descale and just follow the prompts on the screen. So here we will just select and now we'll just keep on following the prompts. So the first prompt, it says open and close the lever. So this is just, to make sure that there is nothing inside, it is empty. Okay, so done. Right, now we'll go to the next one. What is next? So it shows a descale now, lockout in 1 drink. So once we have opened and closed the capsule lever, we have to go to next, and then it says empty and clean capsule bucket, drip tray, and the water tank. So I will remove this. I'm going to clean it, empty it, but this is already empty. The drip tray is already empty. So what I need to do is I have to take the tank out now. So here is the tank and I have to fill it up till this point. So it says descale. So I'm going to fill it till here with fresh water. All right, so we have filled the water. Now it says that we have to empty this liquid, the 100 ml, into the water. So we will just do it now. So it's all gone inside. So this is done. Now let's see what's next. So ensure that the drip tray is inserted, which we have done. Then next is place 1 liter container under the coffee outlet and the steam outlet. So we have to insert a container here, which should be 1 liter. So we'll lift this up and then the container is here. All right. Now, next, press start. So are we ready to go? Yeah, good to go, all set. Bismillah. So this will go for some time. Now the descaling cycle is in progress. Let's wait and watch. Okay, so this is done and it says discard liquid from the container. So the container is almost empty now and we should discard whatever is left in the container. So not only the container, I can see that there is some liquid in the drip tray as well, and in this place also. So we have to empty everything and we'll clean everything, and then we're going to put everything back in place. So we're going to wash the container thoroughly now. So now we have filled the container again after washing it. It is full to the maximum mark, and we have kept this container, which was 1 liter, back in this place. Now we are going to start the second cycle. So the first one is over, which was with this liquid, and now it's time for the second cycle. Let's begin. So in the second cycle, you can see it's using a lot more water. Now after the second cycle, it says empty clean capsule bucket, drip tray and water tank. So we have emptied everything, we have cleaned everything, and then the last step is to fill the water tank with max level of water, which we are done with, and then our descaling or descale cycle is complete. Now we are good to go with espresso, longo, flat white, cafe latte, cappuccino, latte macchiato, milk. So everything is ready now, and the alert of descale is also gone. So now we can again start enjoying our coffee, and this will the new cycle for descale, it will be coming back approximately after 6 months. So for 6 months we can enjoy our coffee time perfectly. All right, so thank you for watching. See you soon.